Alright, welcome back to another Psychedelic Emuz live stream. Um, Today we're going to be working on the map. I did want to mention a couple things. So we're going to be working on the map. Stockfish, what's going on? Isn't it like 2 a.m. there? Yeah. Holy moly, dude, he's committed. He's committed, bro. He stayed up just for me. Oh, thanks, bro. Thank you. Yeah, no. So today I wanted to mention a couple things. We're going to be working on the map. Um, Finishing off the map. We're going to get some animations. We're going to refactor a little bit of the code that when I started to lose steam last time. We'll do that, and then yeah, one of the things I wanted to mention was there's going to be a more consistent um a more we're going to find a more consistent like times the slot. Well, that's my aim. Once I fix my sleeping patterns and stuff like that, I'll set specific times for these live streams. At the moment, I'm just kind of doing them whenever I can. But in future, that it'll have a set date, probably in the morning. But I might do some odd midnight live streams because I seem to get more viewers then. So we'll see what happens. But for the moment, I'm aiming to get live stream done in the morning in Australia. So like around 9 a.m. Perth time. 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Perth time. Um, and that's it. So I forgot. I did think I had another thing to mention, but I forgot it. So we're just gonna go with what's what. Let's do this. Chatty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it. Yeah, it's good to be a lot more organized and stuff like that. Um, Download and install. I don't think it'll take that long. Have a look at the streams. Viewers. Viewers. 2 viewers, 1 viewer. Alright. Oh, I didn't realize we're gonna have to go through a whole setup. Yeah, some of them are pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, well it's we did a similar thing with podcasts. I was doing a podcast type thing where it was just me and the boys having beers together and just debating shit. That was really fun. That was really fun. Um, messing around with that. But this one's a little bit more serious. Yeah, we're just having beers with the boys. That was fun, but I was planning. This one's a little bit more serious. I just kind of wanted um like I'm making the game anyways, so I might as well live stream it. Is my kind of thinking because well, one, it helps me be able to explain code a lot better because um from uni that's one of the things I wasn't good at was when I was trying to explain my code and what I'm doing and stuff. So it's going to help with that. It's also going to help with like a portfolio type things, like they can see that I stream or have evidence of doing stuff like that. So, and mainly because another reason is just kill two birds, one stone. You know what I mean? I need to advertise for this game and future games. So, um, I guess it couldn't hurt to make a couple of streams. So, yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, or that. Oh man. Alright, let's go to Aussie Salute, scenes, levels, and oh, it's not in a level. We were in the game menu. And so I think we just finished um the little description that pops up. The little icon pops up here. Nice. Um we'll leave it like that for now. I did want to have like animations for this popping up. Like maybe it grows like that and then expands and then it retracts. Something similar to that. Could do that, but it's like I hate animation. I hate like just aesthetic stuff. I'm gonna do it anyways. So let's do it. It would look nice, yeah. It would look nice. So let's do it. So we get the prefab. Yeah, anything really. Other than it just popping up. Could do. That would be like a map burning. Oh yeah. Get some custom shaders going on. I could do that. Yep, I know exactly what you're talking about. We can do that, I think. Pretty sure I got URP in here. Bush Wookiees. Okay, you lost me now, bro. um, let's create, I think by memory. I can't really remember how to do it. Shader graph, URP. It's unlit shader. We'll call this dissolve. Fuck. I don't remember this at all. Let's just Google it, boys. Dissolve effect. Dissolve effect. Shader graph. Dog. Oh, this one. Or me. Are you calling me a dog? You wanna start shit, mate? Yeah, we'll just copy this. Fuck it. Open image in new tab. You have a cut dog. Trinity, yeah. Oh, she's gone now. Yeah, Trinity's my favorite dog. There's a bigger one that's like less favorite of mine. I don't like the big one. She just forces you to do shit, dude. It's really annoying. Alright, let's do this. So let's create node and we'll go noise. Simple noise. Create property. Float. Call this noise scale. Drag that in there. Leave that. Remap. I don't know what that is, but we'll add it in. Remap. Sign time. Fucking hell. Create node time. Sign time. That's just gonna like oscillate like that. Oh yeah, there we go. And we'll add this a little bit further out. And we'll create node, add. This is actually really good. I should really learn this stuff. But I'm not a fan of art, so it's like do I really want to, you know? Edge width. Whatever. Just copy for now. Out. Step. Out. Then out. The nice thing about this is that it doesn't require you to be good edition artist with pen and paper. No, so that's the reason why I would wanna do this. It's like with maths, art with maths. It's the only reason why I would ever consider about doing this. If it was art with pen and paper, there's no fucking way. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah. Dude, when they implemented this, it's like, yeah, it's next level, dude. Honestly. Um, this is wrong. PBR master. Forgot how to get the PBR. Maybe because it's unlit shader. Oh, it's lagging. Wonder if it's Grammarly. Feels like a Grammarly problem. It has really weird. It fucks up really randomly. Yeah, this is 100% a Grammarly problem. Yeah, I'm trying to fix it now. Yeah, there she goes. Did she even close though? Oh, that's good. Patience is a virtue, bro. Being virtuous. Um, Still lagging, dude. This is really annoying. Grammarly. Oh yeah. I actually want to see what's running full ball. Nothing. Oh, my graphics card. Look at that. Okay, so it's something we've done in here. Um, Attach. We'll just attach it back here. Shall I just attach it back all the way here? Yeah, it's hell losing it, bro. I'm just gonna delete the time node if I can. Delete. Alright, did it fix? Alright, it's still broken. Oh, sort of fixed. Is it? The Unity itself is still lagging. I don't know what's going on, boys. Still doing it. I'm just gonna close Unity. Nah, I don't think. Kind of like the shader idea. I just want to close Unity. I think it's just a bug. I don't think it's actually something we've done now. No, I haven't changed anything in the stream settings. That's the thing. And it was running smoothly before. Oh, what's going on, dude? Scarred. Okay. Oh, it's still doing it. I don't know what would be using my graphics card like that. That's fucking weird. Okay, let me check the stream settings now. I have no idea, dude. It's so weird. Might have to restart my PC. You can see, I think there's a way to check what's making it run like that. Um, OBS? Really, OBS? CPU, yeah. My gosh. Because it runs fine every other time. So I don't know why it would decide to do that now. And I haven't set fucking stream savers, so that means the stream's gonna end. Okay, it just fixed itself. Are you still here, Stockfish? Yeah, I don't know, but it's just rando fixed itself. I don't know what that is. That's weird. Gotta leave this on the side just to know like what's actually doing that. Keep that minimized. Um, maybe it's cause, yeah, maybe it's cause someone joined YouTube and it had to encode that as well, but it doesn't explain the spikes. Like, why was it spiking like a? Why wasn't it just spreading across time like that? Because now it's going like horizontally, but before it was just going nothing all the way, nothing all the way, nothing all the way. Fuck knows. What a pain in the ass. Alright, we'll just have to continue on. If it happens again, I'll be able to see what the process is. See if I can end it. Alright, so we're back to this. And I think we were actually working on the wrong type of like asset. Pretty sure. Create, shared graph, URP, uh, lit, sprite, lit shader graph. Whatever. Okay, this is more like it, because it didn't have the alpha before, right? But now it has all that, all that extra stuff that we need. Dissolve, 1, do that now, and we'll pull this into the graphics. Now let's make a folder for it, just call it like effects. Alright, open this bad boy up. We catch up some lost time now. So for that we need some music. Go electronic genre. Need some fucking quick moods. Angry, busy and frantic. It's loud. Did you hear the music? I think you can. Oh wow, you can't either. Oh. There you go. Is that fucking loud or what? Or is that good? Good volume? Try about now. Now? Alright, sick. Alright, sick, cool. Sick. Oh. Let's get back up there. Okay. We need an actual tutorial because I don't know how to get up that big one. First. Huh? PBR graph. I don't have that. I'm just gonna download off Unity Asset Store, bro. Unity Asset Store. It'll 100% be a free asset. There's so many tutorials about it. There's no Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Alright. Bit cheating, but we're here to make a game, not here to fuck around. Yeah, the dissolve effect. I've made one before by following a tutorial, but I just don't remember how to do it. Efficiency, yeah, that's it. I'm weeding myself off the energy drinks, bro, because I drink way too many of them. And I don't have the money this week to afford them, so it's water for me. Yeah, I love them, bro. Way too much. Won't be using the render pipeline, so we'll leave that. And the dissolve matte is just using the shader. Getting the dissolve. I want to look at the shader graph. How did they do this? Obviously we can mess around with some of the values. Nah, it's just hand scaled it. If I turn this down, yeah, I want a value to control that. So let's make a new value here. Create node. We'll just convert this to a float dissolve scale. Alright. Now how do we do it? Go onto the map. Up info box. We just change the sprite to be of the type sprite dissolve matte, huh? There you go. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's alright. But I want to be able to edit the scale from the editor as well. It's not allowing me. Oh, I haven't saved it. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I can turn this down. Put it to 50 or something. That's a bit better. And then change this to like a yellow. Yeah. Yeah, orange. Orange. Yeah, that's right. And we're gonna code it. A bit better. Even like further down, like 25. We might be able to fix that, I think. Pretty sure we can fix that. That's good. I like that. Yeah, handy. We can also do one for the amount as well. This. Because this adds a border. You can actually change the border size. See how this border's smaller now? I'm gonna add a new variable here. Border. Save the asset. That's kind of cool. What's better, smaller or bigger? I'd have it really small and then it like a paper forming. Or we could have it big. Fuck, I don't know. What do you think, Stockfish? Big or small? Can you see that very well? Okay. Smaller? Something like this? I'm not sure. So smaller, you reckon? Or should I make that bigger again? Yep, okay. So I'll leave it smaller, is that what that means? I don't know which one's better, dude. That one looks good. It looks good. Yeah, yeah. Let's go for the cartoon look. Yeah, you're right. Might go bigger. Okay. It's too many of those when it's like that. Yeah, that'll do. Alright. Let's work out how we're gonna get the text to shrink with it. I think if I use the same dissolve map as the other ones, we could get it happening. So let's go. Forgot how masks work again. Let's just copy this and paste this. Let's figure out how masks work again real quick. Let's Google that as well. How to use mask Unity. Make the object of the object a child mask, which should have a UI. Has to be UI. So we need sprite mask. But it gets rid of the definitely a way to do it. I have an idea actually. Let's go X. Inside here we'll create materials. Oops. And we'll create material. We'll call this dissolve text. We'll find our custom shader. Just drag in. Shader. Wrong with you? Ah, wrong dissolve. There we go. Now we'll select our text. See what happens there. Oh, we can't do that, can we? And we can't have a sprite mask because it doesn't work with a material, I don't think. So it gets rid of our material. We'll see. Sprite. And this. Could just fade in the text or put the text in. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing now. I know there's a way to do it though, you know? That's the annoying thing. Yeah, right. That's how you use them. I want to be able to get it. Let's go for this. Just don't think it's gonna. Oh, yeah, we're fading in the text. We're fading in the text, spending way too much time on this. Alright. Got that going. And then we'll just fade in the text after it's there. This would create a type of burn effect, maybe. Nah, we'll just leave it like that. Alright. So map info box. Let's edit this map info box. Another drink of water. Crack open the beers. We've got a beer. Actually, I'll be back. I'm getting a beer. Alright. Let us get this dissolving now, shall we? Map info scripts, pass in UI parent help quick. Map info box. Create an I enumerator here. IE enumerator. For this fade in. But we need a material. So let's get a sprite renderer. Target sprite renderer. And then we'll have a header. We'll just call it I'm gay. Alright. It's good. Nah, I'm joking. Alright, and then we'll put UI references. And we'll just separate that out. Other. And then we'll need, let's just put in here another header, and we'll call this mat reference. And we'll just pass in a string here, private string. And we'll call this material dissolve variable name. Alright, so in the fade in, get the target sprite render, we'll get the material on it. Material, and then we're going to target material dot set float. Okay, so we're gonna get the float. Has float? Yeah. I just wanted to throw in there if it's wrong. I don't really care. So if while, let me just double check Facebook comments because I heard a few notifications on my phone. Sometimes that means someone's typed. No typing. No typing. How's my processor going? Maybe it was that someone else was on and one of the streams it fucks up at. That's what I'm guessing. But seems fine now. Oh, wasn't even that one. Oh, whatever, it's gone. While, so float step equals 0.0f, and while step is less than yeah, thank fuck for that, hey. That was really annoying. TLS field, private float. Let's go dissolve length. And we'll call this dissolve effect. dissolve duration. Less than 1. Step is going to be equal plus or equal to time dot delta time divided by, could be equal to step divided by, fuck, I forgot how to do this. Dissolve duration. So we need to increase the this is wrong. It's gotta be like well, we gotta go step plus or equal to time dot delta time. Definitely do that. And then we'll divide it by the duration. That's fine now. And so what that's going to give us is it's going to give us a percentage. How far, it's going to give us a percentage of the how far the dissolve has completed. Because step, for example, if 3 seconds elapse, which is what time dot delta time is plussing, it's plussing frames, the amount of time between frames, and it'll get, once it's adds up to 3 seconds, it'll dissolve, it'll be dividing by the dissolve duration. So say the dissolve duration is 4 seconds, it'll come up with 0.75, which is 75% of how much the dissolve should be complete. So that's good now, and we'll need to go float. Well, we'll basically just need to we need the dissolve amount equal to the mathf.lerp and this basically just gives us a value between whatever we set in here by a value of t. So we'll give it mathf.lerp dissolve duration by t. So this would be 1 actually, and it'll be step. So we don't actually need to do that. We don't need to lerp it, but we'll stick with what we know. The dissolve amount, and then we'll go. Now we just have to apply the dissolve amount. So we'll go. Need to get the material. So target material. Dot set float. Pass in the dissolve variable name, and then we will set the float to the dissolve amount. Okay, and that's going to happen as long as the step is less than 1, which is good. Then we're going to go over here and just make sure that it's fully set to 1 after we end it. So it's not like 1.0 0, 1 or something like that. It's gonna be 1. So target, dissolve variable, then we'll set the variable dissolve duration. Sorry, not dissolve duration, 1. And that should do it. That's gonna fade in. We haven't made a fade out, but I don't think I will. Let's just see what this looks like at first. So let's go here. Let's drag in our sprite renderer, dissolve amount, set the duration to 0.5 seconds. And we need to make sure when we set the input box, we start the fade in coroutine. So start coroutine, fade in. And we also need in here, we need to set the float to 0. Let's have a look. It might throw an error because it might be a space between dissolve and amount. No error, but no box. That's not good. Didn't want that to happen. Oh, there we go. No error, but no good stuff happening. I actually don't know why that's not happening. Yeah, awkward. We'll find out what the problem is in a second. Oh, we have an error this time. Let's just double check our material is right. And now let's check if the dissolve is happening, but it's just not coming up on the game. No dissolve is happening. Certainly loaded. Start coroutine. Set float 0. Okay, well, next is let's see if it's going into the enumerator. Fade in starting. It's not going into the enumerator. Oh, well, we don't know yet. Oh, we know. Fade in starting. Okay, so it's going into the enumerator. Okay, while step is less than 1, let's pass in our step. Go debug.log stepping. Well, let's just go step. Okay, so the step's working. Even though it's slightly broken. Let's do this. This will work as well, but that's not our issue. We had another issue. It must be this. It must not be able to find the name. So we'll debug.log target material dot has float. Resolve variable name. Get rid of all the other debugs that we're not using at the moment. This. Okay, that's weird. So it's saying we have the float chord that but then it's not changing anything. So maybe I have to apply the material again. What's going on? Just checking now to see if this will ever return false. This has. Oh, it's returning true again. And still returning true. Don't know why that would be returning true. So that's definitely wrong. Wrong. It should not be returning true. I should be turning nothing. Okay, Google time. It's just weird. Oh, here we go. Underscore dissolve amount. I don't know why it's always showing true though, but just ignore that. Dissolve amount. I don't think that's me. That's fine. We'll find this now, I'm pretty sure. There she goes. Okay, so we'll fix that. It needs to be a lot faster. Looking alright though, isn't it? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, fade out and faster. Oh, thanks, bro. Yeah, no worries, dude. We had some errors, but we got there in the end. A fade out, definitely. Could do a fade out. Just thinking of how we'd go about that, because if I put on this, it needs to know what it had before. We could do that. But first we gotta check a piss, so I'll be back. Just double check Facebook comments and everything. Alright, I'll be back. Let's go. Okay, everyone. We ought to be able to like we could fade it out. Could fade it out. Let's have a look at what that looks like. So let's change this to fade. Let's go all does fade in. we go if does fade in. Does fade in. Set it to that, else we'll set it to mathf.lerp 1.0 step. That's the only difference. And then we'll just go fade here and we'll go does fade in true. Okay, now we'll need a way to so this would work, but it might look shit. Have a look. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't look like anything because we're setting the active here. We'll need to cut that and we'll go if does fade in. It's false. Set this. So it's gonna look fine when it's like that. But when I do stuff like that, it's not gonna fade out, you know. Doesn't look too bad. We could stack the fade ins. So we could go no, it doesn't, but we can do something that I'm thinking about to make it definitely look good. What would be the stack? So let's go. Private. Is fading. And we'll create a private list of bulls. Stacked. Just create private bull. Private list of bulls, if I could. Private list of bulls. Stacked fades. And we're gonna go. Is fading equals true? Is fading equals false? And in here we'll. Go if does fade in. So. Small. Well, there. We can kind of stack the fades, so go set the input box. We'll go if is fading is true, Then we need to create a new list of stacked fades. Just new list. And then we'll add our stacked fades. Stacked fades.add true. We'll remove this. Do the same here. If is fading, stacked fades dot equals new list, and then stacked fades dot add will make a false. If it's not fading, we just run the fade. So that's start coroutine, fade, false. No, let's not do it here. Else. We actually never want to check if it's fading or not. We don't really care. We just want to add to stacked fades. Go private void update, and then we'll go if is fading equals false, and stacked fades dot count is more than 0, start coroutine, stacked fades 1 or 0, sorry, 0. What's wrong with you? Oops. Fade. So basically, we're trying to work out a way to stack the fades, so that they don't cut each other off. And we're doing it in such a way that it cuts off any that aren't currently active. And then we're going to remove stacked fades equals new list of balls. Okay. If it's true, we want to do nothing and wait for it to become false. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Not quite. We have an error here. Need to go private void on start, private void awake. Stacked fades equals new list of Yeah, I know what's wrong. We don't want to move the position until it's later, so we want to go remove this. We want to do it at the end of fading in. So if we're fading in, then we want to do that. Plus in map node. This is bad. This is starting to get really ugly. Let's not do that. We're gonna go. Great. If stacked fades 0 is equal to true, then we want to move, because that means it's fading in. Make a private function up here, map node, target map. Put that in here. Otherwise, we don't want to move because it's in the middle of fading out. Alright, that'll be better now. The problem is it's still overriding my fades for some reason. I don't know where it would be doing that. Let's move this because we don't need to move it. Okay, I know how to fix it once and for all, but it's gonna be a little bit annoying for the player. We just remove that. Then we go stacked fades dot remove at 0. And then we remove these. Oh man, that's not good either. Yeah, we can't do that. Doesn't look too bad. Should be fine. I'm gonna leave it like that. Maybe more orange. Do the text first. I know we need to do the text. So let's get a reference to the text. We got the text. Let's go text. MP. Text. Dot. Alpha. Goes dissolve amount. Good enough for me. Then we'll go for next. Could do like a sound. That's menu. Menu sound channel. We'll go on hover. Back to the initialization scene and hear the sounds. Sound for that. So delayed. Later. Yo, live stream. Made pasta. Okay. Okay. Yes, please. Alright, we'll put it back on. I'll do this time. 1 hour remaining. Alright, let's play. I want that to happen. I want just the UI to be false. So active false. Go. See what that looks like. Next is the nodes themselves. Something else then. Could be bothered with the animations for the map. I'm gonna do something else. Fuck it, we'll do it. I need to create a animation for the map node. Yeah, maybe I'll do like a teleport animation for the map node, and then so it like reveals and it's blue and green. Let's just get the camera moving automatically and that'll be us. So let's go camera. Map camera mover. So let's get map unlocked. Let's let's make a map unlocked event channel and post the event to that channel when the map's unlocked. So let's go serialized field, private, void, private void SO, then we'll go map unlocked channel, then we'll go serialized field, private SO, void event, map completed channel. Raise event, up unlocked. We go map completed dot raise event. Okay, and we'll get the map camera to subscribe to both those events. Let's go, let's create another header here and go events. We need a serialized field, private, SO, void event, unlocked map channel, private SO, void event, completed map channel. Then we need to subscribe to this, so let's go private void stack complete. Couple private functions up here, and we'll go private vector 3, a list of vector 3s, so a list of the 3 node position. So this is no longer a void event, this is a vector 3 event, so we need to fix that. So let's make a vector 3 event because I don't think we have one. Let's create one. So vector 3 event. Just have a look at the void event so we can know what the fuck's going on. Public, let's make a scriptable object. Let's create a Unity event. Event, and we'll give it a type of vector 3. Vector 3 event. Let's go public void raise event. Pass in a vector 3. Let's go. If vector 3 event is equal to null, we will vector 3 equals new 3 event, and we'll go vector 3 event dot invoke vector 3. Alright. I think that's everything. Just copy this bad boy. Channel name, and we'll call this Vector 3 channel. Vector 3 channel. Let's just double check Facebook comments and all that. Got a vector 3 event. Alright, let's go back to the map controller. Just pass in to make sure these void events are now vector SO vector 3 events. So we're after map node. So another issue is we need to initialize it from the map controller. So let's make a new one, and we'll make a new header. We'll call it unlock and complete events, channels, and serialized field, private, SO level. Oh, we want SO vector 3 event. Or even just the node, like, it's too late now though. Oh, I guess we can change it. We actually just want a map node, so I'm gonna change this to map node event. And just open this bad boy up. And we're changing this to a map node. And we'll go unlocked map node event, serialized field, private, SO, map node event, completed, map node event. Go map node. Map load unlocked. Map controller. Oh, we need initialization. SO map node event unlocked map node event, and so map node event completed map node event. We need to do a big refactor of these scripts because they're useless, bro. They're actually useless. Unlocked map node, completed map node. Remove these. Okay. Raise event, and now we'll need the map node, so we're just passing this. And then in the main camera, map camera, finder. Let's remove this. Let's add these. And let's stack complete. So we want a private list of map node completed map. Let's just, you can only complete one at a time. So in map node completed map node, go private list of map nodes, and then unlocked map nodes. So on start, on awake, we want to make sure that list is instantiated. So private void awake unlock map nodes equals new list of map nodes. And then we'll go map nodes, go map node, and we'll call this stack unlocked. Unlocked map nodes to add private void set completed map node completed map node equals map node. And then we will move to those positions now. So let's go private look for it on update. Private void update. Parabola. Okay. I'm really over this. Private void update. And we'll get we have to figure out a way to lerp. Yeah. Let's have a, we could look for that quickly later, but let's go for each. So we'll go if completed map node is not equal to null. We want to move to that map node. So we're gonna do this in a coroutine. I'm gonna go private IE numerator process camera movement. What is this, dude? It's actually destroying my brain. We'll start that at the beginning. Start that at start. So start coroutine. Process camera movement. So when we process camera movement, we need to go if completed map node is not equal to null. Then we want to move towards it. We want to go just get the smooth move. And we'll put this in a while true because I actually want this to run like an update function, except I want it separate. So, while true, build return null. And we'll change this to a while. Yield return now. And we'll just put a smooth move on here. Find a smooth move. I always forget it. Smooth move. Blow up community. This is just using low power. I know how to use it. I want the smooth movement. I just want smooth movement. Something like that is what I'm after. Let's try it. Vector 3 dot smooth damp. Vector 3 camera velocity equals Vector 3.0. Let's go current, which is transform of position. Target, which is going to be completed map node. Got transformed up position, and then smooth time, which is just going to be a variable up here. Smooth. Event camera, event move to smooth time. And then we'll just well, actually we needed another one in here, ref current velocity, camera velocity. I'm going to save that in script. Transform dot position equals. Let's actually get vector 3 smoothed position, and then let's go smooth position, because we need to make sure that it doesn't move on the Z axis, so the camera doesn't actually move forwards towards the node. So we need to go transform dot position equals new vector 3 smooth position dot x smooth position dot y, and then transform dot position dot z. Do that. Okay. Profile name. Oh. Map ID, which is gonna be fly home. Profile name is gonna be test, I think. Complete map. Like, so I wanna go. We didn't add any of the variables in. So map. I want to create these scriptable objects somewhere. So let's put it in data. Let's just leave it in here for now. Okay. Node event. Map node channel. Yeah. It was the wrong name. Map node channel. Let's create another one of those. Locked channel. Completed. Let's check her now. We need to do a couple more things. Let's see. Is your mum hot? Nice work, dude. Yeah, very hot. We'll keep going. So we need to we're moving the camera. And then there you go. There you go. So I need to move the camera. What was that up to? Oh yeah, that's right. So we need to figure out when we've finished moving to the completed spot, and once we've done that, then we need to tell the game basically that it has moved to that position. So let's go if we'll give it an offset, so we'll give allow it to have an offset, so private float event move acceptable range, and then if transform.position.x is well, we need to work out whether or not it's within that range, so we'll get the distance here, and we'll go vector3 dot distance, and we'll get the distance between our transform dot position and the target position, which is going to be smooth position dot which is going to be completed map node dot transform dot position. We get the distance of that distance, and then we'll work out whether or not we are within the distance. So if distance is less than distance, is this an event move acceptable range? Oh, we'll actually have to get the a different distance. So vector3 dot target position equals new vector3 smooth position. No, we want the completed camera node. So we'll go completed camera node dot transform dot x, completed camera node dot transform dot y, and then we want the dot position dot y, completed camera node dot transform dot for z we want the camera z, so transform dot position dot z. So basically we're trying to get the target position, and because we want our camera to be like above the player and not at the player, we need to make sure that the position we're getting and trying to move to is this position here and not the actual target position, which will be here. So we're setting a new target position so the camera's like over here. So transform dot position dot x, and then we'll set that here first, and then we'll change the target position to have we'll set the target this function will smooth the position so it moves slowly over time, and we'll set it so that it is smoothing towards our new target position that we made. Target position, smoothed position. And then we go. I'll check Facebook comments. None so far. Alright. So now we should be moving properly now. Okay, and now once we are almost at the target position, within our acceptable range, we want to set the completed node to null. So that we tell basically this function that we've made it to our node, so we can stop moving closer towards our target position. Okay, and that will be it for the completed node. So let's add our functions in here. On the map, let's go to the main camera. We'll add the functions. Completed, unlocked, completed. Event smooth time, we'll set that to like 0.1, and then acceptable move range, we'll set that to 0.1 as well. Okay, let's go back to our map and just uncomplete that map that we completed before. Or we could just complete a new map. So we'll complete pigsty, and we'll type in test, complete map, and now we'll run and see what happens. Okay, so we have a problem already, is that this map is completed, but it hasn't unlocked the other map. It hasn't unlocked pigsty for some reason. A problem already. So let's have a look at the null reference. I'm hating on this music, bro. Classical. Alright, that's a bit better. Ugh. Alright. Need to blow my nose real quick, I'll be back. Alright. So I have a null reference. So the event is not being found because we haven't set it in the initialize place. So we'll quickly do that now. Unlocked map node, unlocked map node. And we'll try that again. So I believe it shouldn't move now because of the way we've set it up. It should just show 3 nodes, 2 completed and 1 unlocked. Okay, and then we will unlock garage garbage now. Garage, garbage, test, heat map. Now I'll have a look to see if our camera moves. Our camera's not moving, or is it? I think it's moving really slowly. No, it's not moving at all. That sucks. I know why, because we didn't start the coroutine. So go back to the map controller and we'll start the map mover. We'll make sure we start that coroutine. Start coroutine, process camera movement. So we actually are already doing it. So that must mean that the completed node is null, which it is because we didn't set up these functions here. So we forgot a couple things. So on start, we want the completed map node event. So add listener. So map node event or add listener. We'll add set completed. And then unlocked map node event or add listener unlocked. Start unlocked. Alright, so now that's done, it shouldn't move now because we've already run the animation on the disk. But it shouldn't throw errors, which is what we're after. Okay, it didn't throw errors. Let's try again. And go complete a public performance. Test. Complete map. Alright, now let's try. Yep, it did it. It was very quick though. So the camera moved, but it was really quick. So we want to try to make that a bit slower. So let's go camera. I think this will make it slower. 0.0001. And we'll just have a, oh, won't do it now. So we'll wait. Complete another map, so we'll complete Wedding Warrior. Test, complete map. Okay, it didn't move to that map. Didn't move at all. But I think that's a different problem. That's not the problem we're trying to test. So we'll just double check whether Warrior actually is completed. Oh, Wedding Warrior is directly on 00. That's why. So bugs and baby. Bugs and baby. Test. Complete. Alright. Okay, it didn't move at all then, when it should have. Let's just create a new profile and we'll try from the start again. So go to the initialization scene and do that. Okay, that's a new profile. And we'll just load back into the game menu. We'll go test_0 and we'll complete fly home. Because I don't know why it would work once and then not work the second time. So that's what's confusing me. Maybe the damp's too small or something. Okay, so smaller is quicker. Main camera 0.5. Let's do that. And let's complete the next one, which was Big Star. Test 0. Complete map. Now, if this doesn't run, we have a problem in our script that I'll need to find. There we go. It's working now. That looked much smoother. That transition looked much smoother. So we'll leave that as that for now. And we'll work on the rest next week, I think. I'm fucking tired. 5 minutes to go. I started roughly 5 minutes earlier in the stream, so that's it for today's Psychedelic Emuz Mag Hunt stream. Thanks for tuning in. We can turn off this Arabian music. Just like fucking snake. This snake fucking taming music. And yeah, so that's it for today's live stream. So we finished off a lot of the map. A lot of the map. We're still working on the map, unfortunately. I got the main camera, so it'll just be messing around with the main camera the next one, and maybe even downloading that $30 pack so that we can mess around with some shader graph stuff. So that will be in the next one. I should be just doing one tomorrow. Probably a lot earlier than this one, if everything goes to plan. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao.